Hello students, welcome. And what do we mean by solution of a differential equation? So in this video lecture we are going to study about that. It means that if we have a differential equation, let us take here d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0 is a differential equation. So what do we mean by a solution of this differential equation? We mean a function of y with respect to x, a function y with respect to x, which when when substituted here, and again its derivative when substituted here, will make this an identity. So let us consider this function y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Is this equation the solution of this differential equation? Let us check. So this is y, which we can substitute here. If we want to get d2y by dx square, what we can do, we can differentiate it once. We will get dy by dx. We will differentiate it again. We'll get d2y by dx square, that is minus a sin x minus b cos x. Now if we substitute d2y by dx square as this value and y as this value, do we get 0? Yes, we get 0. So this is an identity. Therefore, this is a solution of this differential equation. Thank you, students.